I like practice sentences for kids. Hello, little learners. Let's practice simple I like sentences to talk about the things we enjoy and speak English with confidence. I like apples.
I like apples.
I like bananas.
I like bananas.
I like milk.
I like milk.
I like rice.
I like rice.
I like ice cream.
I like ice cream.
I like toys.
I like toys.
I like my toys.
I like my toys.
I like my school.
I like my school.
I like my teacher.
I like my teacher.
I like my friends.
I like my friends.
I like playing.
I like playing.
I like reading.
I like reading.
I like drawing.
I like drawing.
I like singing.
I like singing.
I like dancing.
I like dancing.
I like running.
I like running.
I like coloring.
I like coloring.
I like learning.
I like learning.
I like cartoons.
I like cartoons.
I like animals.
I like animals.
Hello kids, thanks for watching our videos. Many of you haven't subscribed yet. Please like, share and subscribe. It really helps and means a lot for us.